No, not too high, Melody.
Skiddly Bop and Heidi Hey, Purple's here to brighten your day.
Hi, Purple. What you got in the box?
Guess.
Ooh, a dinosaur?
Think smaller. A rock collection? You're getting warmer. There are 5 things inside.
Oh, I want to change my answer. 5 small dinosaurs.
Nice try.
Cloud?
No. I'll give you a clue. It rhymes with cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Bingo! Mommy vanilla cupcakes with chocolate chips.
Wow. Your mom even used your favorite icing. Purple.
Just like my shell. And I have one for each of you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there are only 4 of us, Purple.
One's for Biggie when he shows up.
I vote we eat them right now. Actually, I want to finish my turn on the swing.
And Purple was going to show me how to do a nifty landing off the slide. Sorry, Roxy. Looks like you're outvoted. We'll eat these after we're done playing.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Play first, eat later. Or we could begin right now. Or maybe later. What do you think?
I think you should guard the cupcakes while we play. And then, when you make up your mind, come tell us.
Yeah, good plan, I think. If I play now, the cupcakes might go stale. Ooh, but if I eat mine now, I won't have one when everyone else does. What should I do? Ah, the taste was all I needed. Now I can wait until later.
Zing! And that's what my grandpa calls the shell shock flipperoo. Oh, something beautiful. Teach me. I'd love to, Melody, but you kind of need to shell first.
Okay, Purple, I have absolutely positively made up my mind. I'm gonna eat my cupcake after playtime, I think.
Good choice, Roxy, and good timing, because we just finished. So let's go eat.
Yay! Where did the cupcakes go?
Oh, and they were so beautiful. Don't you agree, Roxy, who was the last one to see them?
Whoa. I didn't take the cupcakes. But you were the only one who wanted to eat them now. True, but I never touched them.
Then what's that lovely frosting doing on your chinny chin?
Okay, I admit I took a taste, but that's all, I promise.
Roxy is our friend, and if he says he's innocent, then we shouldn't jump to conclusions. You're right, Purple. It's too nice a day to get upset.
Perhaps it was. I mean, maybe some other...
You mean the cakes might have been taken by another animal?
Well, I was gonna say ghost, but sure. Then let's search around. I'll go this way.
And we'll go the others.
Purple, do you suppose I could go with you?
Of course, Zing. I was hoping someone would join me and keep me safe. Oh, I think I'll appreciate that flower from up here.
I'm not really that scared, you know, Purple. I'm just careful.
I know, Zing. You're guarding the rear. Thanks.
I think I'll guard the rear up here with you. Hey, this way! Over here! I found some... Ah! Crumbs.
Wow! Roxy found one of the stolen cupcakes. Or he's eating one.
I swear, I don't know how this got here. Sure, Roxy, sure. I just remembered. I have to go home and paint the cat. Shh.
Biggie, how could you?
Hey, Log, what are you doing here?
Looking at a cupcake thief.
What makes you think it was me?
Well, the lap full of crumbs is a good clue.
The frosting on your face is another.
All right, I took the cupcakes, but they were just sitting there, you know?
Biggie, just because no one was watching them doesn't mean you can take them.
Well, I was hungry. What's the big deal?
The big deal is, you took our cupcakes.
That's okay, Biggie. We already ate.
We did?
My mom filled us up with her special honey cakes.
Ooh, I love honey cakes. Did she make one for me? Huh? Did she?
Of course. In fact, she made you too.
Total yay! Where are they? Where are my cakes?
Oh, we ate them, didn't we, guys? Yeah, they were so tasty.
Probably the best ever.
Aw, but 2 of those cakes were mine. How can you guys be so selfish?
We were hungry. What's the big deal?
It was wrong of me to take those cupcakes without asking. I'm really sorry.
Thank you, but sorry is just a word, Biggie. It's our actions that make it mean something.
All right, I'll go ask my mom to make you a berry pie, okay?
That's a good solution.
There weren't really any honey cakes, were there? Ooh.
Hold on, I think somebody here deserves an apology. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry I accused you of being the cupcake thief, Roxy. You're a good kid, and we should have believed you. Friends?
Friends, now, who wants to split the last cupcake with me? 5 ways.
Yeah!